Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into the B2 level of English with a focus on auxiliary verbs. These little verbs are some of the most powerful tools in English because they help us form questions, make negatives, create tenses, and even add emphasis. If you're ready to take your English to the next level, let's get started. So, what exactly is an auxiliary verb? Also known as helping verbs, auxiliary verbs are used alongside main verbs to provide more detail or to change the meaning of a sentence. The most common auxiliary verbs in English are be, do, and have. For example, in the sentence, she is going to the store, the word is an auxiliary verb that helps form the present continuous tense. These verbs may seem small, but they play an essential role in building clear and accurate sentences. Let's go over some examples. If you want to form a question, you might say, do you like coffee? Here, the word do is an auxiliary verb helping to create the question form. Or, if you're making a negative statement, you could say, I don't have time. In this case, don't, a contraction of do not, is helping to make the sentence negative. Auxiliary verbs are also very useful for creating different tenses. For instance, in I have finished my work, the auxiliary verb have is used to form the present perfect tense, which tells us that an action has been completed. Similarly, if you say, they were studying all night, the word were is an auxiliary verb forming the past continuous tense, helping us understand that the action happened over a period of time in the past. One of the most interesting uses of auxiliary verbs is for emphasis. Imagine you want to show you really agree with someone. Instead of just saying, I like it, you could say, I do like it. That extra emphasis with the auxiliary verb do adds strength to your statement. Auxiliary verbs show up all the time in everyday conversations, especially when you're asking questions, making plans, or talking about past experiences. For example, you might ask, are you coming tonight? Or have you been there before? These common phrases make conversations natural and flowing. If you enjoyed this episode, please remember to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps more people find our show, and we'd love to hear how these episodes are helping you improve your English. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.